If you're going to Mexico and you vape, you're going to want to stay tuned for this, because Mexico's new 2026 vaping laws could change your fun taco day into a nightmare and a headache through customs. Welcome to Hollis at Sea. I'm Adam. Mary's not with us today. She's not feeling well. We're under about 100 feet of snow and negative 30 temperatures. Just so cold. Basically, the new laws states that you can't import e-cigarettes or vaping products. Usually you can bring them in as a personal, but the UK basically said do not do it, it's illegal. And the US says it could be a headache, it's best to leave it at home. So my advice to you is probably just leave it at home, because those laws are getting very, very strict, and it went into effect January 16th, 2026 this year. So you could probably leave it on the ship, because ships allow you to vape in designated areas, but in all Mexico ports, Cozumel, Costa, various others, you just can't do it. Even if you're in the port for just a couple hours, it's still Mexico. You still have to abide by the laws. Some of the penalties can include up to 8 years in prison and almost 13,000 US dollars if you're charged. That's, again, on the importing of these items. But that ban is, again, according to the UK, they say do not bring it. We highly encourage you to check with your consulate, check with the travel requirements for the countries that you're going to be in, and make sure you're not in violation of these, because you don't want to go through customs and you don't want trouble. So again, just don't bring it. If you're a US citizen and you're traveling to Mexico, leave it on the ship or leave it at home. Again, nothing personal. If you want to do it, that's fine. I don't personally, but we have to follow these laws. So this week was just a quick update. We're going to be bringing you more from our previous trips that we just took in the beginning of January this year on the MSC Seashore and the MSC Grandiosa, and we're going to do a compare and contrast between the two ships. And stay tuned for more, and visit us at Hollis at Sea or this link tree up here, and we look forward to helping you out, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.